G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. The white that you can see is the reflection of the lights. Quite a larger piece. That brown will cut out, I think, out of that piece, but it is concave. Nice different colour up the top here. Needs to be done with Dremel. Blue matrix. The black on that's been marked out with a permanent marker. That'll rub off. This piece that goes back underneath there, wherever it's got much colour in it. Fire, it's hard to tell, but it's part of the deal. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.